Hi, and welcome to Create Tarot or Oracle cards or any illustrations using clip art, photos, and apps. I chose tarot and oracle cards because there are certain themes and images that you can use to tell a story, and it's a very great training ground for visual storytelling as well as working in clip art and photos. And it's a whole lot of fun, okay? So my name is Jenny Lenz. I have a Master of Fine Arts in Design and a BA in Art and a certificate in Computer Graphics. I've worked and taught and all that, so you're going to learn a lot that you can use in social media and for fun and for products to sell and all kinds of stuff. We'll also see some quotes by Felicia Marie Tomasco, and some of the photos were taken at Kathmandu Boutique about the composition and the color, combining photos and clip art and type. This is all clip art, and it's about colors. And the Three of Cups, I totally changed the colors. That was a little high end, but I will show it to you, and you can always use clip art just right out of the box as well. And I'll show you where you can get that as well. A lot of fun. The Hermit was like a coloring book. It's just two pieces of clip art. It was so meditative and wonderful. The Strength was a bit more complicated. That's what really started this whole workshop. And I'll tell you that story behind it. And that's actually a photo of a labradorite crystal behind the woman and the lion. Oh, this is cool. More like coloring books. I had two mandala clip art that I put together for the Wheel of Fortune. And the moon was real simple. It's all clip art. And the textures you will get 40 free textures. And so these two you'll get, and I'll show you how to change the colors. So you will get 25 free photos of crystals, flowers, and metaphysical objects, and 40 textures. And for the punks out there, they're going to get 13 pictures. I'm a very famous punk rock photographer, and some of these pictures are, I don't normally give out, but hey, I want people to have fun. And another photo from Kathmandu and clip art, and these were incredibly fun. They took a while to put together because I had a hard time, especially on the world, to figure out how to tell this story. So we'll talk a lot about that. Visual storytelling with images. How can you make a strong impact? And I made this to honor and respect someone who was leading a private creativity Facebook group. She was so touched, as were others, and that was my goal. I wanted to create something that really resonated with people's hearts. And if you know something about art and storytelling, you can do it, and it's wonderful fun. And finally, working with some photos and clip art, then we get back to the beginning. I really look forward to you joining myself and others in this transformative, magical journey where a picture's worth 1,000 words, and to bring some light and life and uplifting thoughts into our lives. Whatever feelings, good, bad, or otherwise, whatever's in your heart, you're not going to be judged, you're not going to be graded. So I look forward to you joining us. We'll have a private Facebook group where you can share and get wonderful support and encouragement. I also have additional workshops at DreamingBig.Rocks. My photos are published all over the world in books, magazines, documentaries. I sell them. I've been teaching. I have a lot of useful workshops. And now is the time to gain new skills, because life as we know it will never be the same. Of course, I've been saying that for a long time. But at least now people are starting to realize it, but it's useful. And the more we can do using digital technology along with traditional art, design, and storytelling, the better our lives and our future. Our future depends upon it. So with that, I wish you all the very best. I will see you at DreamingBig.Rocks. Please tell others, because they are looking for this, and I don't have enough time to do all the marketing in the world that we're supposed to do. So with that, I thank you, and namaste all. Shalom and peace. See you at Dreaming Big Rocks. And remember, when you're dreaming big, you rock, because dreaming big rocks. Thank you. Bye now.